Go. Welcome, Mahaba, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste. I'm very excited to bring you an amazing Yealink meeting board to our Dubai and Pakistan office. Amtech Systems and Azlan Technologies is one of the largest video conferencing provider in the Middle East and Pakistan. Today we will discuss about the Yealink interactive touch screen and the video conferencing solution. It's one in all built-in video conferencing collaboration tool. As you can see, you can write on this, and in this we will discuss its features and how is it how does it compete against Idea Hub or Max Hub and other video conferencing collaboration tools. I think been in the market for last 15-16 years, this is the most exciting product I have seen because of its feature, pricing, and brand value. So let's go to the demo. As we've discussed, let's go on to the features. It's an amazing board. So first, this is a 65-inch board. It comes into two sizes, 65 and 86. 65 sells for around $4,500 to $5,000, depending on import duties of other countries. 86 around something like around $7,000 to $8,000, $9,000, again depending on import duties. Of course, it has a capacitive touch. It is built with a lot of R&D by Yealink. As you know, Yealink has outclassed Cisco in IP phones, has come up with brilliant video conferencing solutions. So as you can see, this is actually configured on a Zoom panel. So it actually configures into Zoom and Microsoft Teams. It is the first collaboration meeting board which is actually certified by Microsoft Teams and Zooms. No other board does that, what this board does. So let's go on to the features. So this is like a room name where you can actually put in a license to everything. From Zoom, you have microphone, speakers, and camera settings. Obviously, this is the Zoom part of it. And now, so this is where the game starts. So this is the settings. So you get these settings, brightness. You can change languages, of course. There's Chinese, there's Russian. There's many languages you can use. And the UC provider. So as you can see, you can actually, so it's actually pre-configured into with Zoom and with Teams. So let me just put on the team settings. So it's actually going on to reconfiguring itself to Microsoft Teams. Native integration it has. So this is the team collaboration board. This is where the magic works. You have the whiteboard. Details. So first, the feature-wise, we have this 16 omnidirectional built-in mic, which covers up to 8 to 10 meters. It's good for around 12 to 14 people in a boardroom. It has built-in speakers, wireless USB connection to share your wireless content, and other features. We'll discuss it. Right now, I'm joining a Zoom meeting. It's a pretty long meeting ID, so just bear with me. 8482. Okay. And this has a password built in on it, and I hate passwords. Okay. We are actually connected to a meeting via Zoom. Faraz has actually sat on a conference table. What it did was, so it has this multi-viewing feature, which actually splits people in a boardroom. So if I could call somebody else, Tahir, to us. Tahir, could you just speak from there? And
hello, my name is Tahir and I'm from Amtech System.
So it's actually Tahir is standing at the back, and it's actually taken 4 people into a boardroom. Tahir, could you just come and join us and sit? And could you call Shahnawaz as well, please? Yeah. Shahnawaz, you can come and stand there.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shahnawaz.
So Shahnawaz is there, and what it did was actually split into 4 screens. There are 4 people in the boardroom. Obviously, this is a feature which is optional. You have an option to actually control this feature. If there are 18 people or 12 people sitting in a boardroom, it actually shows 18 people in a boardroom. What it does is actually focuses the person which is here. Let me just show you this. So what it does is, if I go to, actually it gives you these features which are optional. If you just go to the settings, if you go to more camera controls, it actually gives you an option for speaker focus, auto framing, obviously multi streams. You can stream, different people. So there is a mirror effect option, multi focusing. So this is where, if I just, no problems, if I just come and sit, so it's actually, what it does is actually, it actually focuses the whole boardroom here. And we will actually deliberately put off the windows. What it does is actually controlling light and other features as well. If you can say something, Tahir.
Hello, my name is Tahir. Let's see, because this is an auto framing, no?
Yeah. So what it does is actually focusing Tahir when he speaks. Faraz, could you just speak something?
Yeah. Hello, guys.
Yeah, you have to speak a bit more. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, hello. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4.
So what it does is actually intelligently putting on framework. If I just go at the back, and what it does is actually shows me and follows me. Obviously this has a field view options. It actually, if you can see me, it's actually following me. So it's one of the best features about this board is actually its video conferencing capacity. So it's an amazing tool. Obviously, if I go to the whiteboard option, you can share whiteboards. This is a pen which actually attach to it. You actually get 3 pens in it, right? And I like the dark feature. So Yealink, the smoothness of this board is amazing too, right? So you can write comfortably. You actually collaborate with other people. Obviously, with Zoom and Microsoft Teams, you have this option to collaborate. This, if you want to collaborate, if you want a board which actually does everything for you, it has a built-in touch screen and an excellent video conferencing. This is a board to buy. For demos, obviously we will be discussing further demos. Another feature which I wanted to show is, of course, let me just close this board. Let me just close this board. And yeah, another feature of obviously about this board is its acoustic fencing. So what this board does, if I clap, I don't think you can hear this clap, but you can hear this clap because I'm actually recording from this. Another feature which Yealink meeting board has is its AI sound acoustic fencing technology. We had this in Polycom before, and if I just clap, obviously you can. I'll show you some videos about people clapping and talking. What it does, it actually doesn't take any non-human voice here. So if there's a generator at the background or siren or there's work going on, it actually shows my voice, as you can see in this Zoom meeting recording, which we'll show. We'll show you the actual clapping part and talking at the same time. So it's an intelligent thing to buy. Obviously, there is Huawei Idea Hub and other market. I don't think they compete anything close to this. This is value. This is collaboration. This is a board to buy with some amazing features. For any demos, just get in touch with us with the numbers below. In Dubai, anywhere in Pakistan or in Africa, we are there to give you out free demos. You can visit our place.